Dipansh video time. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create fireworks using Python. So, a very brand new Happy New Year to all of you because today is a special day. We are finally inside the new year. So, to celebrate this new year with a new video, I have a plan. So in this video, we are going to be creating brand new fireworks using Python. So let's get started. Okay, so I have fireworks.py. Then firstly, I'm going to be creating import turtle. I'm going to be importing turtle. Then after that, from random import randint. So randint and torrents. So after we import these, firstly we'll set the width. So we'll firstly set the width to 700 and the height to 500. So then after that I can put s is equal to turtle dot screen, and yeah, s will be equal to turtle dot screen. Then inside that, so after we set up the variable, I'm going to put s dot set up would be width, width and height. So this is our s dot set up. After that, the s dot background colors. So s dot bg color should be black because fireworks are usually looking good in blackish colors. Then the title, so s dot title will be equal to New Year Fireworks. So after that, I'm going to go and put turtle dot blue. So okay, we have the setup ready. Let's save it and check it out. As you can see, we have a plain black screen. So now, firstly, I want to make a list of the main colors that we want to use for our fireworks. So colors would be equal to list, and inside that list I would put red, I would put blue, I would put yellow, I would put green, maroon, I would put pink, white. So I basically put every color that I know. So, so red, blue, yellow, maroon, pink, white. We have purple. After purple, what else color we can add? We can add cyan. So I forgot about cyan. We can add gold. We can add silver. So I'm going to be adding silver. I'm going to be adding orange. So these are the main colors that I want my fireworks to be. After that, what we can do is create a class for our fireworks. So class fireworks. Okay, so without the parentheses, so firstly define slash init slash. And inside that I will put self, and after that radius. Self and radius. Now let's continue. So define init self dot e is equal to turtle dot n. So we would open the pen function. Then after that we would have to put self dot speed should be 0. Let's put it to self.t. Self.t to self.t.speed would be equal to that. So then after that self.t.speed, we should be adding self.t.color. So we can add self.t.color, parentheses, choice of colors. Then after that self.t.hide turtle. And after that self.t.up. Then self.t.set position. So that's a long one. This will be a long one actually. We ran in. So would be ran in of negative 250 and 250. After that, I would put another ran in of 0 to 200. So after these, what we can put is self.t.down. So self.t.down would be now self.radius. Self.radius would be equal to radius. There we go. So after we have all of these inputs ready, I can add another definition. One called update. Update. And then inside that I will put self, then self.t dot forward, so forward, and then self.t dot forward will be equal to self dot radius. Now after that we can copy the whole thing. And instead of forward, let's go forward team, we can go back. Back. We have forward and we have backward. So okay, we have these settings ready. Now the next thing to put in here is a self.e.left. Put a 10 in there. Then after that I'll put another function called define clean. Self also, and I'll put self.t.up. Then self.color, self.t.color equal to a choice from colors. And after that we'll need self.t.up, self.t.up, and then self.set position, so self.set position, position, position be equal to random, be equal to a random. Oops, I have set position, it should be correct. Okay, I forgot my thing. Self.t.set position equal to random negative 250 to 50, and after that random ran in 0 to 200. Then after that I'm going to put self Drop the dot down. Okay, so afterward of that, I'm firstly going to put, so all the way out of the class, I'm going to put T1 to be equal to fireworks, and a random, so fireworks, and a random, so random, 10 or 100. Now, after we have these values, copy it 5 times. So I'm going to copy this thing 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after we have 5 of these, name it T1 to T5. T1, then after that we have T2, then T3, then T4, then we finally have T5. Now after we have all of these T1 to T5, at the next stage we can put while true, so while running, while true, no parentheses, straight colon, for I in the range 36. I'm going to put T1 dot, so T1 dot update, then continue naming it. So we have T1 dot update, T2, T3, T4, and T5. So T1, T2, T3, T4, and T5. Now the next thing is that outside the for loop, so outside the for loop, I'm going to be putting T1 dot clean, T1 dot clean, then we have T2 dot clean, so T2 dot clean, then we have T3 dot clean, then we have T4 dot clean, then we finally have T5 dot clean. T5 dot clean. Okay, so that's our last line. So okay, let's just see if it works. And it's saying that color string maroon. So it's saying that maroon's not kept in table. So let's just take it out. And let's just replace it with brown. So I'm just going to put brown in there instead of maroon. Now, as you can see, it will slowly generate fireworks. So as you can see, fireworks, then it will clear it. Then after that, it would make fireworks again. Then it would clear it. Then some other place. So this will continue. So I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe. Until next time, Dipansh with the time out and Happy New Year to all.